Alright, never make a permanent decision of leaving trading because of only one loss. I repeat, never quit trading because you made a loss. As always, great traders learn from their mistakes. You need to learn the art of turning losses into profits by learning from them. Whenever you make a loss, sit down, make a self evaluation, learn on what you did wrong, either psychologically or technically, and improve from it. As always, we are not perfect, but we learn to be perfected. So, whenever we make any loss or any mistake on our trading, we learn from it. We learn to grow from it. We transform ourselves by learning and learning and learning and improving our knowledge. Because you made a loss because you didn't know something. Either you bought and the market sold. So there is a knowledge you're missing on that. So learn on it and improve yourself on it. The next time you'll be better. Instead of selling and the market buys, you buy and the market sells. Instead of becoming depressed or fearing to take that opportunity, you'll never fear because you improve yourself from a loss you took. Stay blessed and always take every trade as a profit and learn from it, even if you're in a lead or you're in a loss.